Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Trefon. Today I want to show you how I make egusi and okra soup. So this soup is going to be very simple if you've not eaten egusi and okra soup mixed together. So this combination is going to work perfectly. So just keep on watching. If you've not subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. So now I'm going to add oil to my pot. I'm not going to bleach this oil. I'll just make it hot because I have fire alarm in my house. I don't want it to keep screaming. So I will add my onion. So I'm going to add my okra. So I have sliced my okra into small pieces. So after transferring the okra from my pot, then I have cooked my meat already, so I'm just going to transfer the stock into my pot. So after transferring the stock into my pot, I'm going to add my melon. So add your melon. So I will cover it to make it cook. So after that, I'm going to check how the melon is cooking. So I will just turn it together. So I'm gonna add my meat. Just add everything together. Then I'm gonna transfer my okra. So I'll add water to it. At this point I will be adding my pepper, my dry pepper. I will be adding my seasoning. So I'm gonna stir everything together. So I'll add my macro fish. I add a little water because when you're cooking it, it's becoming thicker. So you just have to add water, but you have to be careful about the fish. Without that, it's gonna break off. Okay. So I'm gonna check how it's cooking now. So it's time to put my vegetable. So guys, my soup is ready. As you can see, okra and egusi soup. So you mix them together. We call this in my place combination. So you can combine your own too and it will come out perfectly. So thank you so much for taking your time to watch this video. If you know this video is helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, share to help someone. Thank you so much for taking your time to watch this video till the end. I love you. Bye.